everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So I welcome you again to your English class. And today we'll discuss the very first poem of your English book, and the name of the poem is The Squirrel, and it is written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. This is the picture of a squirrel. Actually, it's a small animal covered in fur with a long tail. Squirrels climb trees and feed on nuts and seeds. I hope all of you must have seen a squirrel in a park, on a tree, or in your garden. Actually, squirrels are members of the family Squirridae, a family that includes small or medium-sized rodents. And how many of you really like a squirrel? Do let me know through the comment section below. I personally like him a lot, especially when he eats something. The way he eats, it looks very funny, and I really feel good looking at him while eating something. So let's read this short and beautiful poem. He wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play, and if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. So in the first three lines, that is, he wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey, he sat up straight to eat a nut. Here we find that the poet is describing a squirrel who was found sitting on a tree and eating a nut. His tail seemed to her just like the commonly used question mark. You can also see it in the picture. His tail actually looks like a question mark, isn't it? And the squirrel had a grey hairy skin, which was referred to as an overcoat by the poet. Overcoat means a long warm coat, and the squirrel, as described by the poet, sat straight, and it appeared that he was loving the nuts. Now in the last three lines, the squirrel is described as a fun-loving and naughty creature. He liked to tease and play, and if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. Here the word tease means make fun of or attempt to provoke a person or animal in a playful way. Means the squirrel liked teasing and playing, as the poet noticed, and if the poet and perhaps her friends ran around his tree following him, he went the other way. Went the other way means he went in the opposite direction out of fear. Therefore, it seems that a squirrel is a very sensitive creature, as well as we all might have commonly noticed that it is afraid of outsiders, either a human being or any other creature. So this was all about the poem The Squirrel, written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong, and I hope you enjoyed reading this poem. And if you have any doubt, any query or any question, do let me know through the comment section below. So this is all for today, and we'll meet once again in a new video with a new topic. Till then, take care everyone, stay healthy, stay safe, and thank you so much for watching.